guys, welcome back to Angie's Table. So today we're going to be making two Korean summer side dishes, and this is super simple and easy for the times when all you have at home is rice. It's easy to just take out of the fridge and enjoy it with some cold water and rice. So let's go and check out the ingredients. Start off by making our fish cakes first, and I have rectangle sheets of fish cakes. So now I'm gonna cut these up into smaller pieces, same with the green onions and the regular onions. Green chilies, Grace and I, we buy a bunch of it and we pre-cut it and have it frozen so that we have it at all times. And so we're gonna be using this, and we'll mince up 2 garlics. All right. So we'll need our We'll need our fry pan and oil, and let's get our onions and our fish cakes right onto that. It's on medium heat. These two side dishes are nostalgic for Grace and I, because during summer break, we would be home and we would have to figure out lunch by ourselves most of the times, which is when I started picking up cooking. My mom would leave a bunch of side dishes in the fridge. So Grace and I would just take the leftover cold rice that's in the rice cooker and mix it up with some really cold water and just have side dishes with it. Till this day, we both love it. We just love that cold rice and cold water and whatever else is in the fridge and just enjoy it together. And now we'll add in our garlic.
And the best smell is the smell of onions and garlic cooking.
Add a tablespoon of soy sauce. And our sesame oil. Oyster sauce, corn syrup, add in our green chili, and this is optional, and we'll also add in the green onions. And now we're gonna store these in Tupperwares. We'll add more green onions on top and some sesame seeds. And now that we're done with this, we're gonna move on to our tofu. So let's cut up our tofu. Add our olive oil and lay down our tofus. So while we have the tofu cooking, so while we have the tofu cooking, let's go ahead and prepare our veggies and also make the sauce. So now let's add 3 tablespoons of the soy sauce. Fish sauce is my special kick to this, and it just makes it a little bit more flavorful and tasty. And at the end of it all, I'm gonna save half of the green onions to use it on the top as toppings. This sounds like rain. So when we're using this kind of braised tofu, you want it to be more firm, so make sure to get tofu that's firm and not soft. Is this a flip now? It's like golden. At this point, let's add our sauce. So these are just 2 of millions of side dishes that Koreans always have on their table. Something I really used to like to eat are pickled cucumbers. It's called ouiji and I loved it. I really like things that have a crunch when you chew on it, so I really like radish. I prefer radish kimchi over cabbage kimchi. So if you guys are interested in this, Grace and I would love to do an episode of other side dishes. I'll add some more green onions to make it look pretty. And sesame seeds to top it off. And now we're gonna eat, and I'm gonna add some cold water to this cold rice. It's just like old times. Try the tubu first. Oh god. I'm about to. Wow! Nobody wants to see everything in your mouth. It's so good. Are you salivating as you're eating? I think so. Oh my god, it's so good. In the summer, you always want something that gets your taste buds running, and this is perfect because it's spicy and savory and sweet and everything, so it's perfect for that. And I don't know if you guys have ever tried leftover rice with cold water, but it's literally the best thing. I can't even choose which one I like because they're both so good. So happy right now.